Good day, everyone. How is everybody doing today? It's me again, it's teacher Joshua, and I'm welcoming you to our math lesson. And this is the continuation of our lesson from last week. Is everyone okay today? Hope you and your family are doing fine. Keep safe and healthy, everyone. So, today we are going to continue with our lesson about numbers. Are you ready? All right, kids. Now let's proceed. Our lesson for today is still in Unit 4. Unit 4, all right, so it's still mathematics. When you say mathematics, we learn about numbers. We learn about addition, how to add numbers, how to subtract numbers, mathematics. Now, look at this. Mathematics is really fun to learn. Are you ready to learn with me today? All right. So, numbers to 100. It's still part 1. Now, last week we have learned how to count numbers by tens like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, today we are still going to continue learning the place value of each digits. I'm excited to share my knowledge with you today, kids. Okay? Now let's proceed. Today, we are going to learn writing numbers into words. So when you write the number, you should know how to write those numbers into words. Like for example, when you write 1, you have to write ONE1. You should know how to read, you should know how to spell, and you should know how to say the numbers. Now I'm going to give you some examples. Okay? Example. Kids, what number is this? What number is this? We have learned how to read these numbers. Okay? Yes. Good job. This is number 23. In number 23, there are two digits. 2. There's 2 and 3. 23. All right? So 3 is ones and 2 is tens. Now look at this. All right, so 23 is equal to 2 tens plus 3 ones. So 2 tens. You know how to write 2 tens? It's 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Plus 3, it's 23. Do you know how to write 23? All right, let's see. This is how you write 23. Let's spell 23. T W E N T Y dash T H R E E 23. All right? Okay. Now, let's continue to learn more examples in writing numbers into words. Now, kids, since this is mathematics lesson, I'm going to show you something. What number is this? Good job. Yes, this is number 1. 1. Now, 1 is what? It's a single digit number. Teacher Joshua, what do you mean with a single digit number? What is single digit numbers? Simple. When you say single, it's only one. There's one number. Okay? One. One number. One digit. Let's continue. What number is this? Do you know what number is this? This is number 23. Number 23. In number 23, how many digits are there? Do you know the answer? Yes, there are two digits. Teacher Joshua, why there are two? Simple. Look at the number 23. There's 2 and 3. 23, and it's called double digit number. When you say double, it's 2. Two-digit number. All right? So 2 and 3. 2 is tens, 3 is ones. Okay? Now let's continue in writing numbers into words. Now you will have some exercise after this. Look. All right, kids, are you ready for your exercise? Now, this is your exercise. What you're going to do is we are going to write the numbers in words. So write these numbers in words. Now, first example, I'm going to show you. What number is this? All right. Can you read this number? Yes, this is number 54. In number 54, there are 4 ones and 5 tens. Now I'm going to show you. Yes, 5 tens is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 5 is equals to 50. And 4 is 1, so plus 4. 50 plus 4 is 54. Do you know how to write this number into words? I'll show you. Yes, 54. Now, let's spell 54 all together. Repeat after me. F I F T Y dash F O U R 54. Good job, kids. Now let's proceed to the next number. Number 2. What is this number, kids? Do you know what number is this? Yes, correct. This is number 81. Repeat after me. 81. 81. In number 81, how many ones are there? Yes, there is 1. And how many tens are there? Good job. There are 8 tens. So 8 tens is equal to 80. Go, Teacher Joshua, why it's 80? Because there are 8 tens. So it should be 10 plus 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 10 is equals 80. Because it's tens plus 1. Now kids, do you know how to write 81? Alright, now let's do it all together. This is how you write 81. Yeah. Repeat after me. E I G H T Y dash O N E 81. Good job. Let's proceed to the next number. Alright, kids, what number is this? You're right. Very good. This is number 47. 47. Now, Teacher Joshua, number 4 is equal to what? You're right, kids. 4 is equals to 40. Why 40? Because 4 is tens. So there are 4 tens, so it should be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it's 40 plus 7. 40 plus 7 is equals 47. Kids, do you know how to write 47? Now, let's read and spell the word all together. Now, this is how you write 47. Let's spell it all together. It's FORTY dash SEVEN. 47. Now, in number 47, which is bigger, 7 or 4? Which number is bigger, 7 or 4? Can you guess which number is bigger? Look at the example. In number 47, 4 is bigger. Why? Because 4 is equals to 40. And 40 is bigger than 7. Okay? Alright, kids. Let's proceed to more examples. I'm going to show you more examples about this in writing numbers into words. Alright, kids. Now, these examples are in your books. You can see this on page 48. So if you have your pencil with you, you can open up your books and you can answer these activities in your books on page 48. All right. Now let's proceed to number 4 example. All right. This are the kids excited to learn mathematics today. All right. Number 4. Do you know what number is this? What number is this? Okay, good job. This is number 36. 36. Right. Kids, there are 3 tens and 6 ones. I'm going to ask you a question. In number 36, which is bigger? Is it 6 or 3? Which number has a greater value? Is it 6 or 3? What do you think is the answer? Hey, which is bigger, 6 or 3? The answer is right. Number 3 is bigger. Why? Because 3 is equals to 30. And 30 is bigger than 6. 36. Do you know how to write and spell this number? Alright, now let's do it all together. 36. Spell 36. THIRTY dash SIX. 36. Good job, kids. Now let's proceed to the next example. Okay? Number 5. Okay, I'll give you time to think. I'm going to count from 10 to 1. Now, look at this number, number 5. What number is this? Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What number is this, kids? Good job. This is number 28. 28. So in number 28, there are 2 digits, 2 and 8. And in number 28, which number has a greater value? Or which number is bigger in number 28? Right. The answer is 2. Hey, Teacher Joshua, why 2 is bigger than 8 in number 28? Because 2 is tens, and 2 is equal to 20, and 8 is ones, so 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. Do you know how to write this number into words? Ready, kids? All right. Let's spell this word and read this word all together. 28. TWENTY dash E-I-G-H-T. 28. Good job, kids! Now on the next slide, we are going to learn how to write the words into numbers. So you should know how to read. If you know how to read, you will know how to write. Ready? Okay. Exercise. Now in this exercise, what we're going to do, right, we are going to write the numbers for each words. So this is opposite. When you say opposite, what we're going to do is we are going to read and we are going to write the number. All right? Number one, do you know how to read this word? Okay. Now, ask your mom and dad or someone there in your family to help you how to read and write this word. Okay, number one is 58. 58. Number two is 86. 86. Again, number one, 58. 58. Number two, 86. 86. So number one is 58. Do you know how to write 58? Yes, this is number 58. All right, so 5 is tens, 8 is ones. And I'm going to ask you guys, which number is bigger or has the greater value, 5 or 8? Which is bigger, 5 or 8? In number 58. Good job. The answer is 5. Why? Because 5 is equal to 50. 50 plus 8. Okay? Now let's proceed to number 2. 86. Do you know how to write 86? Alright, this is number 86. In number 86, how many digits are there? Good job. There are 2 digits. It's 8 and 6. Now kids, in number 86, which number has the greater value? Which number is bigger? 8 or 6? Right, 8 is bigger. Why? Because 8 is equals to 80. 80 plus 6. Alright kids, again, number 1 is 58. Number 2 is 86. Okay, now let's proceed to the next slide, kids. Alright, ready? Number 3 is what? Right, kids, 48. 48. Number 4 is 94. 94. Number 5, 71. 71. Do you have a pen and paper with you? Or pencil and your paper? I'm going to read number 3 and write the number. Number 3, 48. 48. Number 4, 94. 94. Number 5, 71. 71. All right, kids? Now ask your parents to check if your answer is correct. Ready? Okay. 48. Did you get the right answer? 4 and 8, 48? Good job. So this is how you write 48. And which number has a greater value? 8 or 4? Yes, 4 has a greater value. Or 4 is bigger. Why? Because 4 is equal to 40. 40 plus 8. Number 4, it's 94. Do you know how to write 94? Yes, this is 94. Did you get the right answer? Great job, kids. Very good. 94. Next, number 5, 71. 71. Okay, ready for the answer? Great job. This is 71. Did you get the right answer? Yes, 71. All right, so now, kids, do you know how to read and write the numbers into words? And write the numbers into words and write words into numbers? Great job. Okay, now let's proceed. Today we're going to learn as well about place value. Hey, Teacher Joshua, what do you mean by place value? As I have said, number 1 is only one digit number. So 1 is ones. But when you say 23, there are two digit numbers. So 2, what's the place value of 2? 2 is tens and 3 is ones. Okay, now I'm going to explain more further. Exercise. What number is this? Right, good job, kids. This is number 23. Now, when you say place value, what is the place value of 3? And what is the place value of 2? Now, I'm going to show you. The place value of 2, look at the screen. The place value of 2 is tens. Tens. And number 3 is ones. Ones. Again, kids, you have to remember, what is the place value of 2? Good job, tens. And what is the place value of 3? Ones. Okay? So 2 tens is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus 3 ones, it's 3. So 20 plus 3 is equals to 23. Great job. Again, 23. Now I'm going to ask you, which number is bigger, or which number has the greater value? Is it 3 or 2? Right, 2 is bigger. Why? Because 2 is equal to 20. So 2 tens. Look at this. 1 10, 2 tens. 2 tens. 20 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 ones. 2 tens plus 3 ones is equals to 23. Get it, kids? All right. Let's proceed. Let's continue. Exercise. We are going to write these numbers in two different ways. And we are going to expand them. Okay? It's very easy, kids. You will see on my example here on the screen on how to do this example or exercise. Ready? Number 1. What number is this? What number is this? Good job. This is number 53. 53. In number 53, there's 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens is equals to 50, and 3 ones is equals to 3. 50 plus 3. 53. Okay, number 2, 99. 99. In number 99, how many ones and how many tens are there? Yes, it's the same, 9 and 9. 9 tens plus 9 ones. 9 tens is equals to 90. And 9 ones is equal to 9. 90 plus 9 is equals to 99. Great job. Now let's have another example. Let's proceed to the next slide. Number 3, 87. 87. In number 87, how many tens are there and how many ones are there? Good job. There's 8 tens and 7 ones. 8 tens is equal to 80 plus 7 ones is equal to 7. 8 tens and 7 ones. 80 plus 7 is equals to 87. 87. Number 4, 72. 72. In number 72, how many tens are there? Good job. There are 7 tens and how many ones? Very good. There are 2 ones. 7 tens plus 2 ones. 7 tens is equals to 70 plus 2. 70 plus 2 is equals to 72. Let's proceed to number 5. What number is this? Right, kids, this is number 34. 34. In number 34, what is the place value of number 3? Yes, 3 is tens and 4 is ones. So in number 34, there are 3 tens plus 4 ones. 3 tens is equals to 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 34. All right, kids? Good job. In this lesson, or in this exercise, we are going to do the same thing. All we have to do is just expand the words for each numbers. Okay? Number 1, 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens. What we're going to do? We are just going to add tens, 5 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 5 tens is equals to 50 and 3 ones is 3. 50 plus 3 is 53. 5 tens, 3 ones. 50 plus 3, 53. Number 2, 6 tens and 4 ones. 6 tens plus 4 ones is equals to what? What we're going to do? 6 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus tens is equals to? Good job, 60 plus 4 ones. 60 plus 4 is equals 64. All right, next, let's proceed to number 3. 4 tens plus 7 ones. 4 tens. So we are going to count 4 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals 40. And 7 ones, so 40 plus 7 is equals 47. Did you get it, kids? 47. It's very easy. I know you can do it, kids. Are you ready for the next one? Okay. Since this is mathematics, we are going to have more examples for you to be able to understand the lesson. Okay? Example. 25 is 2 tens and 5 ones. Again, number 25 is 2 tens and 5 ones. So 2 is tens, 5 is ones. 2 tens, 1 ten, 2 tens, plus 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get it, kids? 2 tens and 5 ones. So 2 in the tens place, 10. 2 is 10, tens place. And 5 is in the ones place. So 20 plus 5. Look, tens, ones. How many tens again? Good job. 2 tens. And how many ones? Great job. 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones. So it's 25. Did you get it, kids? All right. Now let's see more examples on the next slide. Exercise. Write these numbers in places. Okay? So we've got tens and ones. Tens and ones. What I want you to do, kids, is I want you to prepare a pencil and a paper, and I want you to answer this on your own. If you don't know how to answer this activity, you can ask your mom and dad for help. Ready? Number 1, 75. 75. Number 75. Next is 67. 67. Okay? I'll give you 10 seconds for you to write the answer because this activity is very, very easy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? In number 75, how many tens are there? Yes, 7. 7 tens. So it should be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 7, 70. And 5 ones. 75. You understand, kids? Okay, number 67. How many tens are there? Yes, there are 6 tens. And how many ones? Good job. There are 7 ones. 67. Okay, let's see more examples. All right. Yes, learning numbers is fun. Okay. All right, mathematics. Let's do some exercise. We are going to write the value of the digits in these numbers. Okay? Ready? Look at the example on the activity on your screen. Number 1. What number is this? What number is this? Good job. This is number 81. 81. So 8 in tens place. 8 tenths. And 1 in ones place. 1 one. 8 tenths. 8 tenths is equals to what? Good job. 8 tenths is equals to 80. 80. 8 tenths. 10 plus 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 10. 80. And plus 1. It should be straight to 0. It should be aligned in 0 because 1 is ones, okay? Plus 80 plus 1 is 81. 81. Did you get it right, kids? Great job. All right. Let's see more example. 46. 46. In number 46, how many tens are there? Good job. There are 4 tens. So 4 is in tens place. 4 tens. And how many ones are there? 6 in ones place. 6 ones. So I'm going to ask you a question, kids. In number 46, which is bigger, 4 or 6? Or which number has the greater value, 4 or 6? Okay, let's see. 4 is equals to 40 because it's tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 40. 40 plus 6. So which number is bigger? 4 or 6? Yes, 4 is bigger. Why? Because 4 is equal to 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. Did you understand the lesson, kids? It's very easy. Tens, ones. Tens, ones. Okay? Now, let's review, kids. Ready? What do you know? In this activity in this slide, I'm going to ask you a question. So you have to be prepared. You have to prepare a paper and a pencil. And you should have your mom and dad to sit beside you for them to translate if you don't understand and for them to be able to translate the meaning of this, okay? Ready? Number 1, very easy. How many tens are in 68? In number 68, how many tens are there? 6 or 8? What's the answer? Do you know the answer? It's very easy. Again, how many tens are in 68? In number 68, how many tens are there? 8 or 6? Yes, the answer is 6. There are 6 tens. 6 tens is equals to 60. Yeah. Let's proceed to number 2. Spell 48. Spell 48. Do you know how to spell 48? As I have said, when you spell 4, there's letter U. F-O-U-R. When you spell 14, there's U as well. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. But if you spell 40, you remove letter U from it. So, are you done writing 48 into words? Ready? Check your answer on the screen. 48. F-O-R-T-Y dash E-I-G-H-T. 48. Great job, kids. Now, number 3. In this question, listen very carefully. In number 29, which digit has the greater value? In number 29, which number is bigger? In number 29, which digit has the greater value, or which digit is bigger? Is it 2 or 9? Alright, kids, do you know the answer now? In number 29, which number is bigger? The answer is 2. 2 is bigger. Why? Because 2 is equal to 20. 20 is bigger than 9. So 2 has the greater value because it's tens. 2 tenths. So 2 is bigger or has the greater value. Let's proceed to the last question. How many ones are in 110? In number 10, how many ones are there? How many ones can you get from number 10? How many ones can you get in number 10? So 10. Look at your fingers. Count 10. How many ones are there? The answer is 10. 10 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 110 is equals to 10 ones. Did you get it right, kids? All right. Good job. So, in this lesson, you've learned something about place value and how to expand the numbers. So, see you next time, okay? All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to Teacher Joshua, and hope you learned something from me. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.